drowning in a sea of emails and need to find that one important message from ages ago. Don't worry, I'm here to show you how to become a Gmail search ninja and unearth those buried treasures in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Gmail and in the search bar at the top, type in any keywords you remember from the email. This could be a name, a subject, or anything specific mentioned in the message. Once you type in your keyword, hit enter and Gmail will display all emails that contain that word. However, if you have too many results, let's narrow it down. Click the Show Search Options icon on the right side of the search bar to access advanced search filters. This opens a panel with a bunch of options here. You can specify the sender or recipient, add a subject, or even search within a specific date range. For example, if you remember who sent the email, type their email address in the From field, or, if you know the approximate date, use the date within drop-down to select a time frame like 1 year or set a custom range. Let's say you are looking for an email from a year ago. Select 1 year, then click search. Still too many results? Gmail lets you get even more specific with advanced search operators. For instance, using after the 1st of January 2022 before the 1st of February 2022 in the search bar will only show emails from January 2022. There are tons of other operators you can use to fine-tune your search, so experiment to find the perfect combination for your needs. With these simple tips, you'll be able to find any email in your Gmail inbox in no time. Now go forth and conquer your inbox. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Gmail tips and tricks.